Are you eating dinner?
I am eating dinner.
Is she reading a book?
She is reading a book.
Are they playing soccer?
They are playing soccer.
Is he watching TV?
He isn't watching TV.
Are you working on your homework?
I am working on my homework.
Is the dog barking?
The dog is barking.
Are we going to the park?
We are going to the park.
Is she painting a picture?
She is painting a picture.
Are they cooking dinner?
No, they aren't cooking dinner.
Is he playing the guitar?
He is playing the guitar.
Are you listening to music?
I am listening to music.
Is it raining outside?
It is raining outside.
Are you learning English?
I am learning English.
Is she singing a song?
No, she isn't singing a song.
Are they swimming?
They are swimming.
Is he driving a car?
He is driving a car.
Are we having a picnic?
Yes, we are having a picnic.
Is she laughing?
She is laughing.
Are you dancing?
No, I am not dancing.
Is he reading a magazine?
He is reading a magazine.
Are they sleeping?
They are sleeping.
Is she baking cookies?
No, she isn't baking cookies.
Are we studying together?
We are studying together.
Is he exercising?
Yes, he is exercising.
Are you writing a letter?
I am writing a letter.
Is she shopping?
No, she isn't shopping.
Are they waiting for the bus?
They are waiting for the bus.
Is he running?
Yes, he is running.
Are we cleaning the house?
No, we aren't cleaning the house.
Is she brushing her hair?
She is brushing her hair.
Are you calling your friend?
I am calling my friend.
Is he drinking water?
He is drinking water.
Are they building a house?
No, they aren't building a house.
Is she riding a bicycle?
She is riding a bicycle.
Are we playing a game?
We are playing a game.
Is he using a computer?
He is using a computer.
Are you taking pictures?
I am taking pictures.
Is she brushing her teeth?
She is brushing her teeth.
Are they dancing?
No, they aren't dancing.
Is he eating an apple?
He is eating an apple.
Are we having a meeting?
We are having a meeting.
Is she riding a horse?
She is riding a horse.
Are they practicing for the concert?
No, they aren't practicing for the concert.
Is he playing with his pet?
He is playing with his pet.
Are you taking a walk?
I am taking a walk.
Is she talking on the phone?
No, she isn't talking on the phone.
Are they packing their bags?
They are packing their bags.
Is he studying for a test?
He is studying for a test.
Are we preparing dinner?
We are preparing dinner.
Is she wearing a jacket?
She is wearing a jacket.
Are you practicing guitar?
I am practicing guitar.
Is he writing a story?
He is writing a story.
Are they building a sandcastle?
No, they aren't building a sandcastle.
Is she watering the plants?
She is watering the plants.
Are we decorating the room?
We are decorating the room.
Is he buying groceries?
He is buying groceries.
Are you fixing your bike?
I am fixing my bike.
Is she cooking pasta?
No, she isn't cooking pasta.
Are they playing video games?
They are playing video games.
Is he teaching math?
He is teaching math.
Are we painting the walls?
We are painting the walls.
Is she taking care of the baby?
She is taking care of the baby.
Are you washing the dishes?
I am washing the dishes.
Is he repairing the car?
No, he isn't repairing the car.
Are they learning to dance?
They are learning to dance.
Is she singing at a concert?
She is singing at a concert.
Are you shopping online?
I am shopping online.
Is he practicing piano?
No, he isn't practicing piano.
Are we going on vacation?
We are going on vacation.
Is she planning a party?
She is planning a party.
Are you calling your parents?
I am calling my parents.
Is he baking a cake?
He is baking a cake.
Are they writing a letter?
No, they aren't writing a letter.